How to use Snapchat SnapMap check-in feature. To use the Snapchat SnapMap check-in feature, first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device. Now you simply have to go ahead and then tap on the pin or the location pin icon on the far left of the bottom navigation bar. Now once you tap on this, you simply have to make sure that your device's location permissions are turned on so your avatar aligns accurately with your real-world coordinates. Now you simply have to create a check-in status. Once the map loads, tap the status button located in the bottom left corner of the screen. From there, you can choose a place. Tap on the search bar, you can search for any place of your choice, and then set the status to publish your check-in. You can also view where friends have checked in by simply tapping on their Bitmoji profile from the chat dashboard or tapping on their Bitmoji icon from the map itself. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.